We are in Hoan Kiem Walking Street
in Hanoi.
So today we're gonna have a challenge with this clip-in to see that if they can attach it into my head onto 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
And to see if it can survive under harsh conditions. Okay, so now let's go with us.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if our technicians can help me to attach the clip-in into my head within 2 minutes. Okay, so 2 minutes, stop. Okay, I feel like it is a bit strange, but yeah, not uncomfortable at all. It's still pretty comfortable and I don't feel anything like heavy on my head. Yeah. Okay, we still have 30 seconds left and our technicians, I guess that they're almost done. Actually, we are 30 seconds left, but by the way, we are done. So now I'm gonna show you how the hair look like on my head. Okay, so we have done the first challenge and we still have 2 challenges more, and if you want to see the result of run test and wind test, so see you in next video. Bye bye.